Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to discuss about top 10 facts about Itachi Uchiha that you must know. So let's begin the video without any further delay. Itachi's original concept was given to Danjo. Itachi's design and role in the story were originally different. He was going to be the leader of a group of 70 ninjas called the Itachi Squad. This would have been a group that dealt with assassinations and other secret tasks that the village at large wasn't aware of. Itachi also had a X-shaped scar on his chin. These original design's elements were moved over to Danjo, who operated a secret group with Konoha called the Root, and had the same scar on his chin. Number 2. Itachi cooked eggs with Mangekyo Sharingan for Sasuke. In Naruto Shippuden, Ultimate Ninja Storm Revolution was released with a sword OVA that starred Itachi. It is a bizarre feature called Sunny Side Battle. Itachi is trying to cook the perfect sunny side up eggs without any pieces of the shell clinging to the yolk. He uses the full power of his Sharingan in order to attempt this and keeps failing. Itachi refuses to allow Sasuke to eat any of eggs until he has cooked the perfect one. He is forced to use the power of Mangekyo Sharingan repeatedly to complete this task, which is very funny to watch. Number 3. Itachi was tied with Jiraiya for the highest stars. Itachi was tied for the highest stars in all the data books with Jiraiya. This makes sense as Jiraiya is one of the few people whom Itachi acknowledged himself. But Itachi was suffering from illness throughout the series. So if Itachi was in his full power, I think he could have defeated Jiraiya easily because we have seen Itachi and Nagato in fight in reanimated mode. Although Nagato was aware of it, but his body was not in control and Itachi defeated Nagato. So Nagato defeated Jiraiya. So I think Itachi can also defeat Jiraiya in his full power. Number 4. Itachi's former partner Jujo. The Naruto anime introduced other members of Akatsuki who were part of the team before the debut in story. These characters are considered to be filler and non-canon. One of these were Kakuzu's former partner before Hidan, who he killed after losing control. The other significant members were Jujo Biwa, who was Itachi's partner before Kisame. Jujo Biwa was a former ninja of Kirigakure or the Hidden Mist village, and a member of the 7 Swordsmen of the Mist. He was the former bearer of the sword used by Zabuza. The two of them worked together on several tasks which culminated with a mission that took place in the Land of Water. Itachi and Jujo were hunted down by the 4th Mizukage himself. Jujo was killed in action, which left a spot open that was later filled by Kisame. Number 5. Itachi has another rival other than Shisui. Itachi had a rival named Tenma Izuno who was a fellow genin on his team during his academy time period. Despite Itachi's skill in most areas of ninjutsu, Itachi had still not activated his Sharingan during the time in his academy. It took the death of his rival to finally achieve this. Itachi's team was chosen to escort the Daimyo of the Land of Fire on a journey. Their convoy was attacked by Tobi, who slaughtered Tenma with a single strike of his sword. This caused Itachi to lose control and activate his Sharingan for the first time. So moving on to number 6, Itachi's Susanoo mysterious power. Itachi summoned an indestructible being made of chakra. Susanoo is a powerful ally, but it required massive amount of chakra to maintain, and its usage damages the body of the user. Itachi's version of the Susanoo is unique in that it possesses items that the other Susanoo lacked. It carries a magical blade, the sword of Totsuka, that could trap those it strikes in an endless dream. It also carries a shield, the Yata mirror, that protected the user from all forms of elemental damage. The question arises of where Itachi found these items for his Susanoo were never answered. Even Itachi's Susanoo was not perfect yet. Can you imagine guys if Itachi had his perfect Susanoo? I think it would be more powerful than Madara's Susanoo. Number 7. Itachi was one of the characters who performed skills one-handedly. The ability to perform skills one-handedly is limited to very few people in the Naruto universe, and Itachi was one of them. Using one-hand skills allows the user to potentially perform two jutsus at once, or use a weapon while creating skills. There were only 6 characters in Naruto who were shown to perform this feat, 7 if you count filler characters from the anime. Haku and Zabuza were both shown to be able to perform one-handed skills, though this was still early on the series when the rules of the universe were still being fleshed out. The other characters who can perform one-handed skills are Naruto, Sasuke, the 4th Hokage and Itachi. We first see Itachi doing this during his introduction when we see him. Fighting Kakashi in Konoha. He is able to perform jutsus while keeping the shuriken prepared in his other hand, which made Kakashi wary in his approach as he was worried about leaving himself to open and counter-attack. Number 8. Itachi was the second best student of the all time at the academy. While some of you may think that Itachi was the best student in the academy, then you are wrong. It is mentioned in the Itachi Shinden Book of Bright Light that the 4th Hokage was the highest scoring student in the history of Konoha Academy. Itachi was the second highest of all time. No one ever brings this up in the story, like pretty much all of the details of the 4th Hokage lives before the reveal of the fact that he was Naruto's father. Number 9. Itachi took some very powerful drugs to keep him alive before his last battle with Sasuke. It was noticed by Zetsu that Itachi's movement during his final battle with Sasuke were sluggish and uncoordinated. He puts this down to the fact that Itachi was ill. Toby reveals that Itachi was suffering from a terminal illness and was on the death's door when he fought Sasuke. He claimed that Itachi was using the most potent drugs available to keep himself alive. In the novel Naruto Jinraiden, The Day the Wolf Howled, Sasuke learns of the medicine that Itachi was using and tracks it down to the source. Itachi befriended two brothers who made a powerful medicine which could be turned into highly addictive drugs. The two brothers have to contend with a local clan who wanted to steal the medicine and synthesize it. Itachi used to fight up this clan during his visits to the brothers, which makes you wonder why they kept coming back. Itachi has the ability to lock people in a nightmarish illusion. Did he ever use this ability in order to protect the brothers from harm? Comment down if you know the answer. And number 10. During a battle, Itachi refused to kill two brothers because it reminded him about him and Sasuke. In the novel Akatsuki Hidden, Evil Flowers in the Full Bloom, Itachi and Kisame encountered a group of ninjas from Kirigakure. Itachi realizes that the two of the ninjas he is battling are twin brothers and cannot bring himself to kill them, even though they has paralyzed Kisame and were actively trying to capture or kill him. Perhaps this was because he knew of the strong bond felt between brothers. And the last bonus fact, number 11. Itachi was directly responsible for Naruto committing murder. Uzumaki Naruto did technically take a life during the series, though when it was discovered that Kakashi or Gai teams were pursuing Sasori and Deidara, the members of Akatsuki used a technique that allowed them to pour their chakra into another individual, which would turn them into a copy. This incredibly useful technique is never used again after this point. Itachi takes control of a ninja called Yura. Naruto kills Itachi or Yura with Rasengan, leaving his corpse on the ground for Zetsu to eat. This was one of the most cold-hearted moves done by Itachi in the series. So I hope you guys like these facts and subscribe to our channel and share this video. So see you guys in the next one. Thank you.